Warning, the following video is going to get wild, it's going to get loud, and it's definitely not PG rated. In these upcoming videos, there will be cussing, drinking, smoking, fist pumping, and most importantly, the victory rips in the shutdown area. This is a look into the bracket racing world through our eyes and how we react to getting that win light at the end of the day. We always respect our fellow competitors, but once that open face is strapped on, it turns into a combination of Jerry Springer and World Wrestling Entertainment. It's all in good fun, and there's one thing we need to get across to keep the negativity down, is that we don't take ourselves seriously, and neither should you. Enjoy the video, and thank you in advance for watching Wired Designs Live.
Dogs are barking. What's it gonna be, speed or jail?
I don't know what I'm doing.
Alright, Yaeger, round number one here at the Jigs.com. Ultimate 64, 50 grand to win main event. How you feeling?
It's a BOP matchup in R1. We're trying to smoke a chicken. A whole chicken.
Pushing the lanes wrong.
He was 8 dead 7. I didn't bump. I'm 21. Off of my 19 in the time trial. I'll set the bump. I let go. Let it ride to the car left. And I'm like, nope, that ain't good. I just motored it. I'm under 2 thou. He takes 3 thou. Should have bumped. If I would have tagged it twice, I would have been 7.
7, 1 kick, dead on.
1 kick, low dead on. Would have got it. That's my bad. I didn't bump.
Shoulda, woulda, Brian, coulda.
$200 says that was a time shot.
Dude, 665.
What?
Are you a cop?
Huh?
What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
No.
For you, bad boys, bad boys. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for
I'll recount.
you? When you
Pretty sure
work
it is.
and you had bad trades.
She's gonna find out.
And learn the golden rule. So why are you acting like a bloody fool? If
Now
you
watch
get
this
hot,
drive.
then you must get cool. Bad boys, bad boys. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, bad boys. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for
You did it.
She kind of falls back.
You look solid.
7. He was 30.
Plenty of
This
room.
road waves thing moved 3 thou, showing like 16.5, 16.6.
How many snorts did you take?
None.
So no.
Oh, I rolled 5 out and I fucking ripped it. I'm like, don't touch the bump. I mean, I could have and been triple O. So we got 7 in it. But we're not playing that game right now.
What's the incrementals? How we look?
3 thou faster at the 330.
So we're just
I had 17 on it.
So
showing
16.
16.5, 16.6.
Roger that.
Then went a 16.8 first round. So.
So.
Dude, you got a hot rod, bud.
Well, there goes Mr. Choo Choo Lou, Yaeger. You gonna train wreck his world or what?
To crash the plane.
They're live.
When you take 7
Mike Dads.
we're live. No bueno.
How do you feel about it, Shu?
Bilingual too. Like this, my skill set's growing.
Let go, hold on.
I mean, just turn in a different resume when I get fired for next year.
Where am I at? Who are you? Where's my wife?
This isn't Russia, right? We're not Russia, right? We're not Russia, Danny. Hey. Thank you for logging the lumberyard. I don't want to work in the lumberyard. 33.
Don't you own one?
Don't you own it?
7.
Yeah, see
You know where they're at?
I see you don't spend much time at them.
I'm not really
Yeah, I'm not really
sure where they are.
Not really sure where they are.
Drop.
Really good. Some might say you're the best.
I gotta throw some
Actually,
in it.
the no box guy had the best fights.
Oh, did we go to 10,000? Figure that out.
What?
Because you were 1 and he was 1.
Yeah. I don't know who was better, but all I knew is I didn't touch the bump and we took air. 1 did 4 take air.
You're so good.
No, we need to throw some in the box because I think we're getting a little comfy up there.
You're on the buy, sir. Any words?
Nothing really. 6 inside. I don't know how we got here. I even shouldn't be here right now. I was supposed to go to a Bible study, but God, here we are, man.
So I see we're Team Marlboro Racing Team. How'd you walk in that sponsorship?
Lots of 6. Lots of 6. You know, I tell you what, Winston was on board till they found out my accident back in 08. Which I don't really want to get involved with that. PR had a lot to do with that one. So we're glad that the Cowboy Killers are on board, and we'll see them at 32 cars.
Yes, we will. So. How red were we?
2 red and putting 1,000 in the box. We're getting comfy, so we're gonna have to throw some numbers. Probably gonna throw easily 4 to 5. It's getting cloudy.
It's getting crispy out there.
And this thing is stuck, my dude.
Remember, I can't hammer this home enough on a serious note. You're dialed honest now. Don't get crazy.
She'll do her thing.
Just do your thing, bud. There's a reason why you're here and you deserve to be here.
she had. He's sitting there cutting me up. I'm like, it's going dead on. Just hold on. We were good. Hold on.
Give it back.
He gave it back 2 thou. We're both 9. I'm dead 3. He's dead 5.
Good, clean drag.
It was literally just a drag race. I'm like, trust it. He's chewing you up. Trust it. Whatever.
What I tell you, don't get cute.
You told me not to. And I'm like, literally went through my head. I'm like, TJ said to rug it. We're rugging it. It went 17-2 in the buy run. It just went 17-3 right there.
Let it be known, I was right. You know what to do, bud. Honestly, in my opinion, if you feel the same, don't touch bump. You're good.
No, dude, I just was like, clip it, hold it, it goes. I was like, huh?
Was it 1982
Like-
still frame at the finish?
Yeah, literally, I'm like, there he is, deadlift, 2 over, let's go home.
Yeah, he leaves and Steve just goes, oh.
What?
The whole boy didn't even leave yet.
Yeah, I'm like, what, he braked or something? What the heck just happened? Because I couldn't see.
This is
I timed it kind of good. You finished what you started.
Dude, I gotta text the boys.
Dude, my college friends are here. That's what I was in the stands with. And I'm like, Brian, wait till you see this fucking. He's like, that's a race car? I go, yeah. It's a fucking
It's
race
the
car.
crowd favorite in the 50 round. We met it. Left it the same as last, so now it's time to throw. I'm getting real comfy. I let go and I'm like, that was good.
Dude,
Don't,
you need
I had
to
my
run the
thumb
valves
over. I'm
right
like,
there.
don't do it.
What I
Then-
tell you?
Then it left and I'm like, that wasn't fucking red.
What'd
Like,
you wrong?
holy shit.
Change clutch or
19.5.
anything before I go back up?
Showing a mid 18 or 19.2 and clutch change. How much are you at? Slowed up? It slowed up like 1. Showing like a mid 18. I'm thinking 18. We'll see who we got.
Hey, we
How many
see what we got.
Your door cars left at all? Or?
Butler's still in. Beavers lost, so no Olds final. I think Ford might still be in.
That's the first, like, that's like the most it moved today. It moved like, I don't know if I should throw that one out.
Let's see what we got. Go from there, bud.
Be careful with that. 17. It's gonna start getting better here pretty soon. That's weird that.
Oh, I
You can just kind of feel the air a little bit.
Dude,
It's
I
a little,
lost like,
a little crisper.
Mike, I lost like 16 thou at the 330. It was going like,
Well, then a bunch of clouds did move back then. Remember how it was clearing out, and then all of a sudden we got.
I will say one thing, maybe get after in the burnout a little more.
I thought I did.
Your burnout's been kind of light.
Do what you're doing.
Maybe it was weak.
Don't.
Lose it in the 60.
I mean, it should hook you though. It's not gonna like spin.
I don't. Doesn't make it. Yeah, I don't even know if
If you
it's.
lost 14, it should be like 6 or 7.
I lost about 11 at the 60.
There you go. It was light.
I've been doing what I've been doing though.
Hey, just cut the number, run the ball, can't be beat.
I'm not even saying it's
You get to the finish line.
necessarily
Get there
to the finish
first
line without going
without
on.
breaking out.
Predict the time.
Pretty good.
You win every
What
time.
he's saying is
Good
necessarily
situation to be in.
traction. It could just be the converter likes to be
Converter's hot. and,
converter
like,
likes to be glowing red. Close up on tolerances. I don't know.
So, hey bud, we're down to 8. You're good.
Final pair of round setting. CJ Yaeger.
Come on. Missed it. Fuck.
Gotta do some closing thoughts here on
You
the
get a time
iPhone.
trial or do you get hold please? You get a time trial?
Oh, yeah, hold
Or are they
please.
calling you for first round?
No, it's E1. E1.
No, they said time trial, right?
No, it's E1 is when I was told.
So what is it?
Is it time?
Warm your shit up for time trial.
Oh,
Okay,
then I'm
okay,
wrong.
right.
Then I'm wrong. I'm wrong.
What? What'd I do?
$2 grand. Where we flipping it? Where are we going?
Million. $2 grand entry.
Oh, perfect. Worked out great.
Are we live?
Oh, you're live.
My dad, dude. I tried 8 dead 7. He's 6 dead 1. Down to 8. His car is phenomenal. I had a blast. I'm not pissed. I am not mad. I am just. It was awesome to be. I mean, you got the best of the best here, man. And I got to hang with him, so it was cool.
It was cool. It was cool to see it
I'm gonna
happen.
drink some beers and I'm gonna watch Mike wear him out in the no box shootout. So.